a pride of lions, one of the very few that endures this desert's scorching temperatures and lack of water. A herd of oryx, the only prey within 20 miles. Out here, there is no cover for an ambush. It will have to be a straight chase. They have failed, and each failed hunt brings the lions closer to starvation. 3 days and 100 miles later, and still no kill. These are desperate times. A dry riverbed on the edge of their territory. The only animals here are giraffe, but these one-ton giants could kill a lion with a single kick. Lions seldom tackle such formidable prey, but this pride can't go on much longer without food. The whole pride must work together as a team if they're to succeed. 2 lionesses lead the chase. Others race to cut off possible escape routes. Most lion hunts end in failure. And yet, for generations, despite overwhelming adversity, they have managed to endure.